my Knights of God. I wanted to talk to you today and continue on just expanding what it means to be a Knight of God and sort of what my personal overall mission is and what my goals are. So realize this, being a Knight of God, it is not about power, it is not about money, it is not about anything material. The only thing of material substance to a Knight of God is humanity. Do you sort of get it? So when you think of material gain, when you think of abundance, when you think of your future, being a Knight of God just means you are thinking about your future in relation to all of humanity, your abundance in relation to all of humanity. If you succeed, how does humanity succeed? Do you sort of get it? If you have wealth, how does humanity benefit from that? So to understand this is to understand sort of the $1 billion or billionaire sort of obligation or responsibility. With great power comes great responsibility. With large resources or large amounts of, assets comes the responsibility. Because, like, for example, you could look at Elon Musk, you could look at Jack Ma, you could look at Grant Cardone. All of these people, with their actions and decisions, affect maybe thousands or even millions of people. Do you sort of get it? So what happens is to, like, when you seek success, it always has to counterbalance, like, others. So, like, for example, for me to be, like, for Grant Cardone to be successful in property real estate, one, he needs investors to buy the real estate, so people to trust him with money and to make the right decision. But then also, like, the people who are utilizing or using those assets or those apartments or houses. Do you sort of get it? So we understand when it comes to profit, when it comes to business, there are two key relationships. My relationship with others and my relationship with myself. What I dream and desire of achieving in life, but also what other people dream and desire of achieving. Do you sort of get it? So if you think about this, think about it in context of housing. Right now we're in a cost of living crisis. Housing is unaffordable. There's no supply of housing in the marketplace. Like, the houses exist. The houses are there. We have high vacancy rates. We have, like, do you sort of get it? It's not that we ran out of houses, but people see houses as a vehicle for money and a vehicle for personal gain. So why would I not restrict my properties? Like, do you sort of get it? So when we see housing as being a vehicle of business or a vehicle of success, motherfucker, people hoard. People are greedy. They buy up property markets and then they either increase the prices outside of the range of the citizens or population or the market and then just wait until a new market comes in there. Like, do you sort of get it? Gentrification. Or, do you sort of get it? They increase the prices beyond what is affordable for markets. Like, do you sort of get it? So, like, in financial planning and accounting, it's average that 20% of your budget on the higher end should go towards property or towards living, your domicile, your housing. But right now we're sitting at 50, 60, maybe even 70% above that, where people are spending 70% of their income to live, like literally to have a place to sleep. This unaffordability is purely because of an alteration and a misunderstanding that my wealth doesn't exist separate from other people's wealth. If I make life unaffordable for everyone in the place, motherfucker, like, the country's gone to shit. Good job, property investors. Yous are all cunts. Do you get it? Like, you've fucked our economy. Like, think about business. Think about, like, Woolworths. Like, there's farmers, there's logistical supply chains, there's distributors and warehousing, there's minor distributors for regions and things like that, and then there's the fucking shop. Like, you're adding in all this other bullshit and then increasing the price and saying that that's the market fucking price. Cunt. You cunts are fucking cunts. And I am going to tear down your fucking system. Woolworths and Coles, realize this. I am building out a community, like, based, like, grocery chain. Like, do you get it? Like, I'm creating out a community first grocery chain that is community first and farmer first. So fuck you, Woolworths and Coles. I'm coming for you next. Do you get it? I am going to make it so unaffordable for you to operate in your business structure and business model. Do you sort of get it? I am going to make your marketing nothing. Like, wait for that. That is the next phase to come out of Alpha Wolf Communities. Once it is initiated, then we are launching the Alpha Wolf Communities grocers or grocery stores or whatever, in partnership with ideally IGA and community-based organisations like St. Vincent de Paul, like Salvation Army, well, probably not Red Cross because they're medical, but do you sort of get it? Community-based, okay, that has the corporate or the structure that is already created within IGA. IGA, we are going to fucking put it to Woolworths and Coles. Fuck them. Do you sort of get it? So IGA, when we get this started, we are going to take over, because IGA's got the carbon print, the fucking footprint. Do you sort of get it? So if we alter the meaning behind the business structure and orientation of IGA to not be a business for profit, to be a business for change, changing the global or the regional and local and national, like, standards. Like, imagine that. Imagine if you went to a community grocer and all the fruit and vegetable was free, and all you had to pay for was the manufactured products. Like, realize that. IGA, understand this. You can either join in with me or you can watch from the fucking sidelines. You have the footprint that I desire, all the stores, but I can build them on my own. Do you sort of get it? I offer my hand in friendship. If you slap it away, motherfucker, I'm taking you down just like Woolworths and Coles. Like, anyone who wants to challenge me, challenge away, but realize, like, I don't do things unless I know the outcome. Do you get it? I challenge Woolworths and Coles because I know how inefficient, how corrupt, and how fraudulent their business structure and model is. Like, their marketing, it is full of so many lies and illusions. Like, the nutritional value and quality, because of their storage practices and their business practices, like, the nutritional value of their fruit and vegetable is pretty much zero. So it's like, when I come in there, Woolworths and Coles, and I start testing all of your, like, fruits and vegetables, like, nationwide, and then basically any that fall below the standard of what is healthy, motherfucker, I am putting lawsuits against you, and I will bury you in an avalanche of lawsuits and litigation for every lie, for every fucking price manipulation, for fucking over the farmers and manipulating people. Like, Woolworths and Coles, realise, like, the American government is going to be the First Nations of America. The Australian government's going to be the First Nations of Australia. Do you sort of get it? New Zealand's going to be the First Nations of New Zealand. Canada's going to be the First Nations of Canada. This is fucking happening, cunt. Do you get it, Woolworths and Coles? Like, you're on the chopping block after. These things will happen because I have entered the battlefield. Do you get it? So when you start to understand that, what we understand is that, like, so many people have been getting rich by not providing value and by just overcomplicating the systems and processes in business and in corporate structures. So essentially what I am going to do is I am going to streamline those systems and processes and simply and purely outcompete Woolworths and Coles. i.e., at the Alpha Wolf Community Grocers, I am going to ensure fruit and vegetable is free. Do you get it? Because everyone has the right to food. Do you get it? Like, I take on that cost out of profits rather than me putting profits in my bank and buying fucking houses and buying fucking Bugattis and fucking being an egotistical cunt like all these business cunts. Like, the old way of business is full of pretenders, posers, and egotistical fuckwits. Like, I don't miss you guys. Like, you can't compete with me. Do you get it? You can play around Woolworths and Coles and think that you've got money, think that you've got size, think that you've got reach. Motherfucker, I will drain your money so quickly through court. You misunderstand this. All I need is 1,000 people to sit there and litigate and just continuously litigate you until your business collapses. Like, do you get it? Like, I don't need money. I don't need lawyers. I just need individual people putting lawsuits in front of you, putting lawsuits against you. And think about it like this. It's not going to be one store. It's going to be every store nationwide. Do you get it? So no stone unturned. Everyone loses it. Do you get it? I am going to KUDETA your fucking business and eviscerate it and get you into liquidation so I can buy your company for pennies on the dollar, and then I'm going to give it to someone who actually wants to build the community and support the community. So get ready, Woolies and Coles, because I'm fucking coming for you motherfuckers. Do you get it? Like, taking down America, overthrowing the American government, overthrowing the Australian, like, it's not difficult. You people misunderstand this. Like, do you get it? Like, this world is full of egotistical liars and manipulators who pretend like the world is complex, complicated, and very difficult so that they can keep you stuck and trapped in their system. This is the fucking revolution, motherfuckers, where communities value community, invest into community, and any motherfucker that looks to take from community, we fuck them off. i.e. Woolworths and Coles, you have been taking from the farming communities, stripping them, robbing them. You have done evil things, you motherfuckers. Do you get it? You have stripped our communities. Motherfucker, I can't buy fruit and veg at Woolworths because there is no nutritional content in it. I am paying for fucking cardboard. I am paying for inedible food. You say you're the fresh food people, and you evidently don't give a fuck about our health. You feed us toxic shit. So fuck you, Woolies and Coles. Get ready for the battle of your life, because motherfucker, I am coming to destroy you. And then I am going to buy your fucking company for pennies on the fucking dollar, and then I am going to give it to someone. Fuck you. You lost the right, motherfuckers.